Testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how do automatic doors work. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about how do automatic doors work. So have you ever been in a store or maybe at a mall, right? You walk through the entrance and you don't have to touch any door handles or whatever. The doors just automatically open right in front of you. But how do they work? Well, you see, more or less, in like the behind the scenes of the doors, okay, there are multiple components that make up the automatic doors. First, there is a sensor which detects if any person or anything is just within the door's vicinity, okay? So let's say you walk up to the door, okay? The sensor, let's say, detects your hands first. So now it knows that something is there, okay? So now that the sensor knows that something is there, this signal is then sent to the control system, okay? The control system processes that information. So once it processes that information, then it knows what to do, okay? So if that's a person, then it will activate the motors, okay? And the motors will basically turn these, this belt, okay, on these sliders. And these sliders are connected to the doors, okay? So when we turn on the motor, it turns on the sliders, which in turn turns the belt, okay, which opens the door, okay? So once it opens the door, the control system will tell the motor to basically just keep it open, okay? So once it keeps it open for like a few seconds, okay, and the scanner makes sure nothing is there, the doors will safely close, okay? Basically completing everything. So the whole process is, again, scan if a person is there, send signal to the control system, activate the motor, which activates the belts and the sliders, which opens the door, opens for a few seconds, and some scanners will just continue scanning just in case if any other person walks through, okay? Door safely closes because let's say while it's closing, okay, someone puts their hand in or whatever, the sensor will immediately detect and the doors will automatically open back up again. But once no one is there, the doors will safely close, okay? Now, how is an automatic door, well, good for us? Well, for one, it's very convenient. You don't have to push or pull or anything like that. You could just walk up to it, it just opens up, okay? Second thing is it's touchless, okay? So since it's touchless, that basically means that you don't have to touch anything, which means no dirty germs or anything like that will get on your hands, and it's fully hygienic. And third is that it's, well, easy for everyone, okay? Not just adults or regular people, but also for children, old people, or disabled people as well. It's super easy to use because you don't really have to do anything. And that's basically how automatic doors work. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.